In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload your website to GoDaddy cPanel hosting, which will get your site live on the internet. Whether you're launching your first site or making an upgrade from your local development environment, we'll walk through the process step by step to ensure everything goes smoothly. First, let's ensure you have all the necessary website files on your computer. This includes your HTML, CSS, JavaScript files, and any images or assets your website uses. Having these ready and organized in one folder will make the upload process much more efficient. Next, open your web browser and head over to the GoDaddy website. Log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Web Hosting section on the GoDaddy dashboard. You should see a list of your hosting accounts. Find the domain related to your hosting plan, and click on the Manage button. Now, you're in the Hosting Control Center. Look for the option that says cPanel, and click to open it. This will take you to the cPanel dashboard, which is where you'll find all the tools needed to manage your website hosting. In cPanel, look for the File Manager icon, which is typically under the Files category, and click to open it. File Manager is where you can control and organize all the files for your website. Once you're in File Manager, locate the left side panel and click on the Public HTML folder. This folder is crucial as it's the primary directory where your website files should be stored to be accessible on the web. Now, it's time to upload your website files. At the top of the File Manager interface, there's an Upload button. Click it, and a new tab or window will open, prompting you to either drag and drop files or select them manually. Navigate to the folder containing your prepared website files on your computer. Select all the files and folders you want to upload. It's important to ensure that your main website's home page file is named correctly, usually index.html or index.php, as this is typically the file that serves as the entry point for visitors to your website. Once you've selected all the necessary files, click to upload them. Depending on your internet speed and the size of your files, this process might take a few moments. Once the files are uploaded, return to the cPanel File Manager and refresh the page to see that your files have appeared in the Public HTML directory. Finally, it's time to check if your website is live. Open a new tab in your browser and type in your domain name. If everything was uploaded correctly, your website should now be accessible for everyone on the internet. Congratulations! You've successfully uploaded your website to GoDaddy cPanel hosting. If you encountered any issues along the way, double-check your file paths and permissions, and ensure all files were uploaded to the correct directory. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.